welcome to Maker Electronics. Today we are going to make a smart cane for visually impaired persons. Smart canes detect the objects in front of a person and give response to the person by vibrating the stick or with a warning sound. We are going to use Arduino Nano and ultrasonic sensor to make the smart cane. First step is need to collect the parts for making this project. Details about the parts and purchase links are provided on the description of this video. Parts you need to collect are Arduino Nano, ultrasonic sensor, buzzer, jumper wire, vibrating motor from an old phone, 9-volt battery connector and 9-volt battery. Some other parts also required for this project, which is included PVC pipe, elbow connector, soldering iron, paper tape, rubber tube, glue. Is wiring and soldering. Here first we connect two wires to the positive and negative terminal of the buzzer. Then we are going to make connections for ultrasonic. Ultrasonic is going to connect in the bottom of the stick. It need a lengthy wire. So first I used 4 jumper wires and make a large extension for the jumper wires to connect the ultrasonic sensor. Next, connect wires to the vibrating motor and the button switch that we are going to connect with the battery connector. Right now we completed all the basic soldering of the parts with wires. After that we need to make some common connections. So we need to short circuit the ground pin from the buzzer, vibrating motor and ultrasonic sensor to a female jumper wire. So next step is to connect VCC, trigger pin, echo pin, positive terminal of the buzzer and positive terminal of the vibrating motor to separate female jumper wires. Battery positive terminal is connected to one side of the button switch and the other side pin of the button switch is connected to a female jumper wire. Along with that, negative terminal of the battery is connected to another female jumper pin. We can connect 7 to 12 volt battery directly to the Arduino Nano. The positive terminal is connected to the V input pin and negative terminal is connected to the ground. The next stage is we are going to attach all the components to the PVC stick. First of all, we will take the ultrasonic sensor and will attach on the bottom side of the stick and take connectors from VCC, echo, ground and trigger pin to the top of the stick. Refer the schematics and connect all the pins to the Arduino Nano. After making the connections, once again check the wirings if anything is missing. Next, connect the USB cable to the Arduino Nano and connect it to the computer for uploading the program. Open the Arduino IDE, copy paste the code from the website. The link is provided on the description of this video. Choose the board as Arduino Nano and select the corresponding COM port. Then verify the code. After that, you can upload the code directly to Arduino Nano. You need to disconnect the USB cable from the computer. Currently, I don't have a 9-volt proper charged battery. So, instead of 9-volt, I am going to use a power bank. Next, you need to find a plastic box and make a small hole in one side. Pass all the wires through the hole and refer the schematics and connect the jumper wires back to Arduino Nano. After connection, you can put all the electronic items inside the box and you can close it. After putting all the electronic items inside the plastic box, fix the box on the top side of the stick using paper tape. Instead of a battery connector, I just taken outside the USB connector for powering the circuit. The vibrating motor, I will take the vibrating motor and fix it below the elbow using an insulation tape. After connecting the power bank to the USB port, the circuit starts working. In the programming part, I set 20 cm as the minimum distance between the object and the stick. So, if the distance is less than 20 cm, the smart cane starts making sound and also making the vibration. We made the smart cane. Everyone, try yourself. All the steps are explained detail on the website link. The link is provided on the description of this video. Thank you for watching.